Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see recently deleted apps on Android. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and click on your profile picture on the top right. Here you need to click on Manage Apps and Device, and then you simply need to click on Manage. Here you need to scroll and click on Installed to Not Installed, and from here you need to sort by recently added, so you can see the different apps that you recently delete from your Android. So these apps I recently deleted because I know that I recently delete this app. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.